Hello everyone, I'm excited to introduce a revolutionary tool that will change the way you organize and visualize complex ideas. But before we dive into that, let's talk about a common problem we all face. In our daily work, we often encounter complex ideas and projects that need to be organized and understood. Creating mind maps manually can be a time-consuming process, and it's not always easy to structure information in a way that aids understanding and recall. Plus, while creating a mind map can be a creative task, the manual process can sometimes take the fun out of it. That's where my creation, the AI Mind Map template, comes into play. This template is built on the Coda AI platform, a fantastic and user-friendly tool that I've found to be incredibly versatile. This tool automates mind map generation. Just input a topic and structure, and the AI generates a markdown output for a visual mind map. It also includes a history feature for revisiting ideas and a word cloud for a quick overview of main themes. Let's see it in action. Let's imagine I need to prepare for a meeting. So, I set the topic to how to organize meetings in the input field. Next, I select 3 entries for the first level. These will be the main points of my mind map. I also choose 3 entries for the second level. These will be the subpoints under each main point. Once I've set my preferences, I simply press the Submit button. Instantly, the history view updates and the AI begins generating the markdown for this topic. And remember, you can always change the count of each level, and the AI will automatically update the content to match your new structure. To create a mind map, click on the button Copy to Clipboard. Next, navigate to the Mind Map view. Here, you'll see a basic template of a mind map. Replace the existing content with what you've just copied to your clipboard. For better readability, you can click on the Wrap Long Text link. You can also set the initial visible levels by clicking on Limit Expand Level. You also have the option to further modify the existing text or incorporate your own additions. If you wish, you can download the mind map. When you open the downloaded file, you'll be able to interact with the mind map even without the editor. Have fun exploring and sharing your ideas with this interactive mind map template for Coda AI.